Hello friends, today we are going to calculate first example of subsidiary book. Subsidiary book is a part of journal. It is prepared on behalf of journal. You need a journal or subsidiary book. So subsidiary book is a primary book of accounting. So prepare purchase book of Vinayak. So purchase book of Vinayak for March 2020. First draw the specimen of purchase book. First column date, second column name of supplier, third column inward invoice number. I have sent specimen of this in earlier videos. Ledger folio number and amount in rupees. So first I have sent you theory of this. Only credit transaction are recorded, only assets, only goods are recorded. Assets, cash transaction, cash discount are not recorded in this. Only purchase, goods purchase. When purchase account debit, then entry is done. So purchase goods of rupees 10,000 from Sundar. You can calculate this example of journal also. I am sending you the journal of same example in another second example. So we have now learning two example at one time, subsidiary book and journal also. Journal we have already completed. I am sending you journal of this in second page. So write this example in another book. This is subsidiary book and journal in back side of your book or any other book. So purchase account here to Sundar account CR. So name of supplier, date, first name of supplier to Sundar account, inward invoice number, bill number 25, ledger folio number dash, and amount rupees 10,000. Only purchase, credit purchase are recorded in this book. Now second, goods of 35,000 sold to us. Goods was sold to us by Mitul. So Mitul has sold the goods of rupees to us. So we have purchased the goods. So goods comes in. So purchase account here to Mitul accounts here. So to Mitul's account rupees 35,000 and bill number 3303. Simple thing. Only you have to notice that the transaction is credit and this is transaction of goods. So goods credit, goods purchase are recorded in this book. Purchase goods of rupees 40,000 from Preet. So purchase account here to Preet accounts here. So Preet account. Trade discount is always deducted, but cash discount is not recorded in this book. So 40,000 minus 10% will be 4,000, 36,000. Bill number 18. Then cash purchase. Cash purchase is not recorded in purchase. So you have to make note for this. Cash purchase 9. Cash discount CD is not recorded. Then 15. Cash purchase not recorded in this book. So cash purchase is not recorded. Order is non-economic transaction non-economic transactions. So non-economic transactions are not recorded in this book. Now, goods of 30,000 purchased from Jai. So purchase account here to Jai account here. 21 to Jai account. Cash discount is not recorded in the book, so only 30,000. And bill number bill number 5. Then 28, a machine of rupees. So machine is your asset, not goods. So machines are not recorded in these books. Assets. 28, machine. Assets are not recorded in purchase book. And Teeth has sold goods. Once again, Teeth has sold goods to us. So Teeth has sold. So we have purchased the goods. So purchase account we have to Teeth account. So 38 to Teeth account. Rupees 10,000. Bill number 11. So now we get, you have to do the total of these items, and it is called total credit purchase. Total credit purchase rupees 1/20. So this is the example of purchase book. Friends, this is easier for. Once again, remember one thing: only credit purchase are recorded in purchase book. Only goods are recorded. Assets, cash discount, cash, and non-economic transactions are not recorded in this subsidiary. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.